Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you struggling with an underwater mortgage and not sure what to do? As housing prices begin to decline, there are many homeowners that find themselves in this unfortunate situation. Those that bought homes near the top of the housing bubble are seeing their home value drop below their mortgage amount. In today's video, we're going to be sharing some expert advice on how to navigate this difficult situation and get back on track. From refinancing to loan modification to short sale, we'll explore your options and help you find a solution that works for you. So if you're feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what to do, stick around and let's dive into the topic of underwater mortgages. Being underwater on your mortgage means that you owe more on your loan than your home is currently worth. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including a decline in property values, an increase in interest rates, or a failure to keep up with your monthly payments. If you find yourself in this situation, it can be difficult and stressful. You may be feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what to do, but there are steps you can take to address the situation and get back on track. First, it's important to understand why your mortgage is underwater. This will help you determine what steps you need to take to address the problem. In some cases, the value of your home may have declined due to market conditions or other factors. In other cases, you may have missed your monthly payments, causing your loan balance to increase. Once you understand why your mortgage is underwater, you can start taking action to address the problem. If the decline in property value is the case, then you may need to wait for the market to improve before you can sell your home and pay off your mortgage. In the meantime, you should continue making your monthly payments to avoid defaulting on your loan. If your home's value has dropped due to the market conditions, first, don't panic. Unless something has happened to your income, then you should still be able to afford your monthly payments. So, keep paying and try to ride out the change in market conditions. Try to stay informed on the latest news on the housing market to determine how long the downturn may last. One great way to stay informed is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell below. We'll keep you up to date on all the latest housing news to help you plan for any big decisions. Now, if you're having trouble making your monthly payments, there are several options you can consider. One option is to refinance your mortgage to a lower interest rate. This can help reduce your monthly payment and make it easier to keep up with your mortgage. This is only an option though if the rates are now lower than when you purchased your home. However, with interest rates higher at the start of 2023 and rising, this is probably not the best option for most. It's also important to keep in mind that refinancing typically requires good credit and steady income. So it may not be an option if your mortgage is significantly underwater or you've recently had a negative change to your income. Another option is to consider a loan modification. This is change to the terms of your loan, such as the interest rate or the length of the loan. That can help make your monthly payment more manageable. If you purchased your home several years ago or had a term lower than 30 years, this could be an option for you, as it will spread the balance out over a longer term and make the monthly payments more affordable. Many lenders are willing to work with borrowers to modify their loans, so it's worth reaching out to your lender to see if this is an option for you. The worst that can happen is that they say no, but that is unlikely to happen. Lenders are all about balancing risk, and it's better for them to help make sure that you can pay them back than to default on the loan and for them to foreclose. That's an expensive process for lenders and almost always results in a significant loss in their investment. So don't be embarrassed and reach out before you find yourself in trouble, and chances are they will help. If you're unable to refinance or modify your loan, then you may need to consider other options. One option is to sell your home for less than what you owe on your mortgage. This is called a short sale, and it can be a way to get out from under an underwater mortgage without going into default. However, it's important to keep in mind that a short sale can have a negative impact on your credit score and may also have tax implications for you. Make sure you check out the current tax laws in your area and only make this decision after careful consideration. Another option is to stop paying and let your home go into foreclosure. This can be a difficult and emotional decision, but it may be the best option if you're unable to make your monthly payments and you don't see a way to get out from under your mortgage. However, it's important to understand that foreclosure can have serious consequences, including a negative impact on your credit score and difficulty getting approved for a mortgage in the future. If this is a strategy you feel is best for you, then you may also want to consider filing bankruptcy as well. Consult a local attorney before making such a big decision. And if you do decide to allow foreclosure, don't leave your home until the eviction process begins. Use that time to save as much as you can to help you during the upcoming period of financial hardship you may be about to experience. In conclusion, being underwater on your mortgage can be a difficult and stressful situation, but there are steps you can take to address the problem and get back on track. It's important to understand why your mortgage is underwater and consider options like refinancing, loan modification, short sale, or foreclosure to find a solution that works for you. What advice do you have for those facing this situation? Leave a comment below and tell us your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you know when we release more videos on the housing market. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.